Welcome to part 4 of our video series. Previously, we introduced the phonics sounds, reading lists, sight words, blends, and more. So what's next? We introduced some new phonics sounds which can be a little challenging to your child. Let's see some of them now. The quack sound. Help your child pretend to be a duck and quack like one too. Quack, quack, as in queen, quack. Ooh sound. Help your child to become a silly monster and pretend to scare you with ooh sound, as in blue, true. Oi sound. Let's pretend to be a little piglet and say oink, oink, as in oil, join. K sound. C, K, all make the same sound, as in duck, pig. Sound. What's happening here? Well, K is silent, as in knee, knife. R sound. Ask your child which letter is silent. W is silent here, as in rap, wrong. Sound. Again, ask your child which letter is silent. The G is silent here, as in no, sign. This one is special. Pretend to feel grossed out by the blob and say ooh. All the 3 phonics letters make the same sound ooh, as in germ, turn, dirt. Well, we have pretty much covered all the phonics sounds. Well done to us. So what's the next step? If your child knows all the phonics sounds and can read simple sentences, then the next step has to be learning to spell. So see you all in part 5 of our video series.